everyone, I've got a review today from Modelones, and it's a dipping system. So I'll have a look how this one works. You've got your I can't upside down. You've got a brush saver there. You've got a base, an activator, and then a top coat. So let's have a look inside. What we have. Oh, there they. Oh, how lovely are they? Oh, and there's a few of the brushes in case they go messy. So obviously you can use the system more than once. So those are those. So they were the three that you'll be using. It will not be obviously the brush cleaner, and these are the dipping powders that they sent. Now they do have lids on the top, which just fit in the top, and this one is a silver, which is beautiful. I'm going to do 5 of these. That one there is like a teal, and this one at the top of it is a lovely blue, beautiful blue. And then they've got, I mean, you go on their site and have a look, like a grey. And this one is a lighter, like a lighter grey. Please don't look at my nails because I've been doing painting. So it's everywhere. So this one is like a dusky pink. I'll stick that back on there. Well, like I say, you just pop onto the site. Everything's in my drop down box. Oh wow, that's pink with glitter in. That's beautiful. So definitely try that one. And this one is a beautiful pink. Because for younger ones, this is an easy system to do. And this one, wow, that's like a grey blue with glitter. So I'll try that one. And then I'll do some plain ones at the same time. I can't remember what that was. Another vivid pink. And wow, that's like a very dark, it isn't brown, it's like a very dark maroon. Well, that looks nice as well when it's on. We'll try that one. Then we've got another pink. Oh, and that's got glitter in as well. So you see it on the lid. Oops. Don't want to get all this off left for me. Because these are very fine glitters. Or should I say powders. Oh, another one, look. Another pinky winky with glitter. So there's that one. And the last one, wow, that's a grey with glitter in. I don't know where to start. They're all beautiful. But we need a plain one, don't we? You know. I think we'll have that one. So, moving these out of the way. They also sent me your duster brush. And these are really nice. So soft. And also they sent me an acrylic brush. See if I can get the top off. Yeah. This has got like crystals and a jelly. You see how they're running down? Huh? Amazing. And, oh dear. And there's the brush. Looks like an 8 to me. But we'll give it a try and see. I think that was... Oh no, I've got one more thing. And also in here is a nail hardener. I wonder what that smells like. Oh, fresh smell. Nice. So it's a vitamin super nail hardener. So you just brush it on. And that's that. So I think that's it. So I'll get things ready. Then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Like I say, you just have to go on the site and have a look which you fancy, because I can't actually see a colour. So we're using number 1 to go over one coat. Then I'm going to just let that dry. Test to dry for a minute, and then I'll be back when it is. Okay, so I'm going in again. Just over the top. And then we're going to dip, hoping it'll fit in. Oh wow, look at that, wow, that is amazing, that's beautiful. You don't really need a second coat with that. I wouldn't have said it at all to need a second coat. So what I'm going to do now is use the activator. Now what you need is a spare tissue, because you'll need, if there gets any glitter on this one, then you're going to contaminate inside there. So if I put my hand on there, you can see bits of glitter. I suppose you could try and get a bit of it off with your dusty busty. But we'll go over it now with the activator. Just keep checking that the brush is clean. Do not put it back in if it's not. It's going to spoil it. Wow. So just riddle it about. It'll fetch it off. Right, so I'm just going to wait a minute for that, and then I'm going to top coat it. This dries so quick. So this is the top coat. Oh wow. Oh wow. I mean, how quick and easy is that? Again, make sure your brush is clean at all times. And there it is. That is really, really pretty. So I'll get the others and I'll carry on. there they are, all finished. And as you can see, the glitters are absolutely beautiful. I mean, obviously you'll file and just give them a bit of a shape. I mean, I've had to cut these right down to get them into the little bottles. But when you dip your finger in, obviously it's different. With having these stands, it's a little bit awkward. But there they are. So have a look on their site. I have got a discount. I think I've got a discount code. I think you will have a look on the drop down box to make sure. But their link to their site is there, so go and have a look. And it is the easiest way to do nails. And I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these, and hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.